Here we have an Alpine Halo9 head unit fitted into a Land Rover Defender Puma dashboard. Now this Alpine Halo9 is a really popular screen right now as people strive for ever bigger screens on their head unit, and there aren't many bigger than the Alpine Halo range of screens. But of course, unless you've seen one in the flesh, they're a tricky one to visualise. Because obviously not every website can photograph them installed in every different type of car, so we thought we'd just do this little video to show you what one looks like when it's installed in a Puma dashboard. Great advantage with the Halo units is they are single DIN, so there is no added expense in fitting a double DIN fascia into your dashboard and then carving up the cheeks of the dashboard to fit switches, etc. So they'll just fit straight into your existing centre fascia panel. Well, obviously the big trade-off, the elephant in the room, is it does block off that top row of switches. Now it is in its highest setting right now, and there's a range of movement up and down, and it tilts. So this is in its highest setting. We can still see the clock, the vents aren't blocked off, and of course you can still access the electric window and rear fog lamp switches. You can also still reach the switches behind. There's a gap, there's a large enough gap to get your finger in, but of course that was the hazard one. That's the easy one to remember because it's in the middle. The other ones maybe not so easy. You have to remember where they are. And of course, if you've got a soft top Defender that has no rear washer wipe, no heated rear screen, etc., then that's maybe not so much of a problem. Now you could drop that screen down, but of course then you're starting to block off the heater controls, and working on the fact you're probably going to be using the heater controls more than you are any of those top row switches, then we'd recommend you to leave it in its high setting. So there you go, that's what a Halo9 looks like when it's installed in a Defender Puma dash.